Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2014 ECE paper and the topic is related to digital circuits. In a half subtractor circuit with X, Y as inputs, the borrow and difference are given by. Okay, what was given is half subtractor circuit. Half subtractor. For this half subtractor, what was given is one input is X, the other input is Y, and it is going to be giving the difference, that is nothing but N. N is difference and M is nothing but borrow. N is difference and M is nothing but borrow. So the difference is performing X minus Y. So we can write a truth table X, Y with N comma M. N is nothing but difference, whereas M is nothing but borrow. So what are the possible values for the X and Y is nothing but 0 0, or it can be 0 1, or it can be 1 0, or it can be 1 1. So it can be 1 1. So for all possible combinations of input, what will be the value of N and M? 0 minus 0. Whenever 0 minus 0, the answer is 0 and there will be no borrow required. 0 minus 1 is nothing but 0 minus 1. 0 is smaller, 1 is larger. So it requires a borrow. And we are dealing with binary, so whenever you get a borrow at that time, the borrow will be coming as a 2. So 2 minus 1 is nothing but 1, so you will get a borrow as well as result as 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 minus 0 is 1 with no borrow. 1 minus 1 is 0 with no borrow. So if you are going with this, can be written as min term 0, min term 1, min term 2, min term 3. So N is equal to, you can write it as N is function of X comma Y, and that will be consisting of 1 comma 2 minterms. So by that time it can be written as X bar Y plus X Y bar M1 M2 minterms, which is nothing but X exclusive Y. N is nothing but, whereas M, that is borrow. Borrow is also function of X and Y, and that is only consisting of M1s. So M1 implies nothing but X bar Y. So borrow is X bar Y and some difference is X exclusive Y. So M is equal to X bar Y, that is C answer. M is X bar Y and N is X exclusive Y. So these are the outputs for a half subtractor. Thank you.